Hello viewers, today we're going to be comparing the Hoover Encore Supreme to the Hoover WindTunnel Platinum collection. They're two direct air soft bag vacuums. And they're both kind of like big box store vacuums. They're kind of like cheap for their time. So, starting with the very high end Hoover Platinum. Did a pretty good job. Definitely did it. I think it shot that piece out a little bit. Now I'm going to do the older Hoover Encore Supreme. So, both did pretty good, especially for them both being. So, I think that the Encore Supreme has slight advantage. So, now I'm going to put a little bit of this stuff down. Now, I'm going to do a direct comparison. We're just going to see. We're just going to do a little bit of.
Does it matter if that's peaches and cream or maple oatmeal?
Well, it doesn't really matter a whole lot, but sometimes, like I found with the blueberry is different from the normal because the blueberry has blueberries in it, which can be counted to suck up. So sometimes it can swell on the fan a little bit, particularly on direct air. But on bypass, it's not much different. So now we're going to do the platinum on high. So we left a little bit on the side. The Encore Supreme. So, I think it's kind of a tie because it seems to be pretty much just equally. I think the Encore Supreme won against the Hoover WindTunnel on low speed, but I think they both did about equally high on when the Hoover was on high speed. But overall, I think Hoover might be this Hoover WindTunnel Platinum might be a better vacuum. It's quieter. I think the plastic needs to be a little bit thicker, and it definitely has a little thicker bag. Yeah, man. It's definitely a little bit wider weight. So anyhow, please subscribe, please comment, and always stay tuned.
Yeah.